Welsh lamb and Welsh beef have taken centre stage at the world's biggest food trade show. Hybu Cig Cymru Meat Promotion Wales attended the Anuga Trade Show in Cologne, Germany, which attracted over 160,000 visitors. HCC attended the show as part of its ongoing campaign to get more Welsh lamb and Welsh beef on dinner plates around the globe. HCC has already seen a huge amount of interest in Welsh lamb and Welsh beef in countries around the world following trips to other trade shows in Hong Kong, Dubai, Italy and France, and Anuga presented them with another great opportunity to speak to the world's meat buyers. HCC Chairman Rhys Roberts explains how these shows benefit Welsh farmers.
Yeah, as an organisation, we do a cost-benefit exercise, so we measure the value of our success each time we come here, really, because obviously there's a cost to the farmers of having our organisation here, albeit we do have some help from the Welsh Assembly Government to give them their due credit. But the advantage is that if trade is encouraged, if new markets are discovered, and I can assure you that new markets over the years have been discovered, and I sincerely hope that will be the case this year, and I've seen evidence of something to make me think that already. That new trade is something that keeps the wheels turning. It oils the whole system, and very, very important to the trade at farm gate level, because that is all what it's about. That is what the Welsh lamb promotion is about, getting customers for our product.
For more information on HCC's promotional campaign, visit www.eatwelshlamb.com.